guys, it's Usernamekate and welcome back to the channel. Today is the start of the pillion adventure on the GS. Now, this trip was supposed to start yesterday, however, I woke up with a throbbing headache which lasted all day, and also it was like the dizziness was completely exacerbated. Like at the moment I have a bit of stumbly balance, but it was nothing like yesterday. That was just ridiculous. It was like I was full blown drunk. But we're going to give today a go. We're still going to go. It's knocked us off track a little bit, but not massively, because we're still going to go down. We've got camping booked at the Bikers Haven in Girvan. I want to say Girvan, probably pronounced that all wrong. So yeah, we've still got a night booked there, so we're going to make the most of that. And then the next day, so tomorrow, we'll just try and have more of a full day in Scotland so we can make up for lost time. But yeah, stick around and I'll take you along for the pillion adventures.
Nice and tight, that one. Guys, we've just switched the cameras on now because we've done the M6 from Bolton up past the Lake District up to Gretna Green, and to be quite honest, those roads are really boring and I didn't want to bore you to tears on this vlog. So we've just got to New Galloway and we switched them on, and these roads are amazing, aren't they, Mike? Oh, look at these! Absolutely loving the pink flowers. But that's the inner crazy plant woman in me. Got the new tyres on, Metzeler Torrance Next 2s. They feel really good. That's mint. Oh, nice and tight. You what, sorry? I bet it does. Is it a ride out with Mike if you don't wheelie over the humpback bridge? Yeah, it's crazy. So, sat on the back of this bike now, Mike, this exhaust does not sound standard, even though it is a standard exhaust. Yeah, it sounds like really throaty, and he was using all the road. This road surface is a bit gash. There we go. Bish bash bosh. Oh, sorry. It's not ideal on a hill, is it? Awesome. Thank you very much. See you later. Okay, my next destination, Glen Truel.
Is that where we're going?
Yeah, so the Glen Truel takes us up the path on. Yes. Unless you don't want to go that way. But we're kind of already that way, aren't we?
I'll just spell it.
GLENTROOL. Yeah.
Oh, that's a different way. Oh, you want to do that one?
Oh, that's just the way I was. Oh, we're way far away from that. Well, we'll just go up there if you want. Just put Bikers Haven in.
It doesn't come up when I put Bikers Haven.
I got the postcode for it. KA26 9NQ. Because you could either go Glen Truel that way or that way, whichever you fancy. But it's completely up to you, you're the rider. Ready? Clear. Wow, look at this bridge. Oh, stunning. Whoa. Lots of gravel. Yeah, I didn't realise it was going to be like this. This is terrible. Slightly. What? Yeah. Roads like this aren't really ideal when you've got so much weight. Do you want me to jump off, Mike? Do you want me to just get off? Michael, you're crazy, man. You've just got skills like I just don't understand. Well, you won't be able to really touch the floor proper because the suspension's in two-person and hard. So it'll be like raised up to the gods. But no, I'm with you. I can't imagine roads like this all the way up with like gravel on them. Narrow. The nice flowy ones that we were doing before was the best bet, wasn't it? They're actually fun. Yeah, that was not fun. We want pleasant roads, not disgusting, single, gravel, twisty, horrible things like that. So guys, sorry if I hadn't mentioned, the end destination in mind is Bikers Haven, which is in Girvan, and the objective is to get there on some nice, twisty, scenic, pleasant roads and stop off for some grub along the way. Wow. Beautiful. We like the sound of tea. Here, shop and tea room. Bikers welcome. No way. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I didn't get caught, that's why. Right, tea room. Oh, look at the ducks. It looks we are closed. No.
When it's closed.
Sod's frickin' law. Not ideal, Mike. Oh man, that sucks.
Down. Reset. Reset.
Vegetarian breakfast?
Let me please, thank you.
Yeah.
Wow,
Thank you very much.
amazing. Hello Jasper, thanks for the welcome home. Well guys, that trip absolutely did not go to plan. Nothing seems to go to plan. I'm not going to harp on and whinge and make this negative Nancy, but just after we ate that breakfast, I went to put my helmet back on, and as I was putting it on, really tweaked a nerve in my neck to the point where I can't really turn my head sideways. And Jasper, shut up. And it was that agonising. Let's give this lad some attention. What do you want? Do you want attention? Yeah, it's that agonising. Mike said, oh, because he's been around me when this has happened before. He's like, do you want to go home? I said, yeah. I can't sleep in a tent with this neck. So I'm absolutely devastated. And one of the reasons I think is because the entrance of the rear rock helmet is that tight, and my neck is prone to this. So I also had an LS2 C Evo
or Arrow C Evo helmet, and that also had a really small like hole to get your head through, and on many occasions that would do the exact same thing. And yeah, I'm just absolutely gutted. It's probably the most painful ride home I've ever had. Man, that was not comfy. My ass is numb. Pillion life is not for me. How people do it, I have no idea. Standard pillion seat on a GS, dreadful, would not recommend. So yeah, I'm sorry it's not a better video. I'm sorry that I'm not pointing at a tent right now, going, oh, this is my crib for the night. So yeah, on that sad and sorry note, I'm gonna have to end this vlog. So hopefully I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Oh, feels like I've just been born.